Aloha! Welcome to this edition of Kupuna in the Park. Today we have a special guest with us, Duane Fujiwara, and he will be showing to you the art of origami.
Hi guys, I'm Duane Fujiwara. I'm going to be doing origami today. This first one is we're going to do a box, and the next one is going to be a sumo. I call this boxing and sumo. Okay, so our first one. Normally origami use square pieces of paper. For this one, we need a longer piece. So either a letter size, 8.5 by 11, or a legal size, 8.5 by 14 is fine. This is a legal, 8.5 by 14. The long way, we're going to fold it in half. Now this crease, you don't have to make it a really good crease. This is just a landmark fold, so we know where we need to fold the next piece. So now you open it up. Now we're going to fold the ends to the middle. So fold this end to the middle like this. Now this crease I'm going to make it really good because this is one end of the box. And this side also, fold this to the middle, and we're going to make this crease really good. Usually I use my fingernail to push down to make the creases good. Now we're going to turn this, and I'm going to fold this to the middle again. And again, this is a landmark crease. You have to make this real good. Okay, open it up. Now we're going to fold the ends to the middle again. And again, this is going to be the edge of the box, so we're going to make this crease really good. Okay, and this end to the middle. Okay, and now we're going to open it up. Now we're going to take each corner and we're going to fold it to this crease. Alright, so this corner is going to that crease. This corner is going to that crease. Alright, so now this corner is going to that crease. And this corner is going to this crease. Okay, now we have this opening in the middle. We're going to have this flap come down and fold all the way down to this corner, like this. Okay, all the way down to there. So this side, we're going to do the same thing. We're going to fold this all the way down to there. Okay, now it doesn't look like much of a box, but now we're going to open it up, and there's your box. Okay, what I like to do is, if you get two different colors of paper, and you do the same thing, fold in half, fold the ends in, then fold in half again. Okay, fold the ends in, open it up, you fold in the four corners, you fold this all the way down, and you open it up, and now you have the contrast of the two colors for your box now. Okay? Okay, now we're going to show you sumo wrestler. So this one, normal origami, we use a square piece of paper. Okay, so the square piece of paper, we're going to fold it in half this way. All right, and now that we have this fold in the middle, we're going to fold all four corners to this line. So 1, 2, 3, 4. You know, one thing I like about this project with the kids, you don't have to fold it really straight, and I didn't, but it'll still work out. Okay, so the four corners in the middle, we're going to turn it over so the paper's folding down. You see this crease over here that I had? We're going to fold this point to this crease, but see this edge over here? We're going to let it stick out. Okay? So we're going to pull this side and fold it to the middle, but we're going to let this piece underneath stick out. Okay? Now we're going to fold this point on the bottom. This is going all the way up. This point on top, we're going to fold down in half. Okay, and then we're gonna fold it back up a little, part way. So that's like the head. Okay, and then point from the bottom here, we're gonna fold a little fold down. Now we're gonna fold this guy in half forward this way. And the little point we had folding down, we pull it out, it's supposed to stick out like that. This is our sumo wrestler. Now what you get to do with this is after you make the sumo wrestler, you can actually play a sumo match. So I need a volunteer to come help me. If you get a soda box like this, you put a circle on it, I use a can and I make the outline, and then one person has this sumo wrestler, I have this sumo wrestler, and if I have someone who wants to challenge me, then what you gotta do is, you guys understand sumo, you have to stay in the circle. If you fall down and go out of the circle, you lose. So now we can tap the box. And the red guy lost because he fell down first. Okay, so this is our sumo project.